back to my channel. My name is Susan and this is Scouthead, and today I am going to be making rouladen. So rouladen comes from Northern Europe. So I'm making these with an inside round marinade minute cutlets. You can find them anywhere you have a grocery store that has a butcher, or you can even just go to your local butcher and they can cut it for you, or they may already have them pre-cut. After laying them all out, you're going to add some salt and pepper to the meat. And you're going to rub that into the meat. You will then turn them over and you're going to do exactly the same thing on the other side. Now you're going to add your mustard, and you can use either grained mustard like I have here, or you can just use plain Dijon mustard. I'm not using any real measurements, I'm just using enough that I cover the meat. So you can use as much or as little as you want. Now you need to add some tarragon, and you're going to sprinkle it on lightly, again, as much or as little as you like, and there's no real measurements here. Now you're going to add your bacon. Now depending on how wide the actual pieces are will depend on how many pieces of bacon I put in. Sometimes I put one in, sometimes I put two. So it depends on the size of the meat. So now you're going to add your onions. So now it's time to roll them up. You can use either metal skewers or you can use toothpicks, whatever it is that you have. Now you're going to need enough oil to coat the bottom of your Dutch oven. Once the oil is hot enough, you're going to add your meat and you're going to sear all sides. Once the meat has cooked, you're going to remove it from the Dutch oven and you're going to place it on a plate and set them aside. So now it's time to make your gravy, and you're going to start with 2 tablespoons of flour, Now you're going to add 2 cups of bone broth. Add a 1/4 cup of sherry. Add a bay leaf. Now you're going to add all your pieces back into the Dutch oven with the gravy, and you're going to let that simmer for about 30 minutes. Once your rouladens are done, you can serve them with egg noodles, potatoes, or just vegetables. That's your choice.
Now be sure to check out some of my other videos as well. And don't be afraid to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you know exactly when I upload another video. Until next time, have a great day. Bye-bye for now.